What's going on, guys? So today I am filming at the Bert Ogden Arena, and I'm going to take up my drone. It looks like it's actually clearing up. You can see it up here. There was a ton of clouds, but you see the sun right here. It's starting to clear up. So legally, since I'm drone certified or certified drone pilot now, I can only fly up 400 feet, and I can fly 500 feet below the cloud ceiling. So I don't think I'm gonna have a problem, but I think the wind is gonna present a challenge, but my drone should be able to handle it, because this drone can, I believe it can, I forget how many miles per hour it can withstand the wind, but I'll put it in the link or whatever here. But it might present a problem, but I'm gonna push my drone a little bit today because I want to test out a lot of the features that it has, and what a better place to do it than here. Huge shout out to Shalimar for answering my emails and approving my drone flight today. So I want to show you the cool thing. I have a DJI Smart Controller that connects to my drone, and it's the coolest thing ever. I'm going to do this in real time so you can see how fast it sets up. Alright, so here we are. I got my drone, my DJI Smart Remote, and I'm going to open this up. I got to make sure I have and I just want you to see how fast this thing connects. Make sure I have my memory card. Yep. All right, let's turn this bad boy on. Get this out. Come on. Turn this bad boy on. I gotta make sure it gets its GPS coordinates before I take it up. Could have sworn I had already done this. Alright, boom, go fly. Alright, so you can see right up on top, I got my ready to go GPS. Come on. There we go. And we are ready to go up. You can see right there. So you can see it is quite windy. Now I really wanted to shoot D-Log, but I don't want my computer to hate me, so let's test this out. I want to test this. This is one of the things I've been wanting to do for a while, and I want to see Alright, so let's go get some cinematic shots. I'm going to test out a few features, and it's still windy as hell, but we're going to take it up and see what happens. So for this next shot, I'm going to do a hyperlapse, but the cool thing about this DJI Mavic Pro 2 is you can set the speed and it'll actually go forward at the speed that you set it to. So check this out. It looks right there. Let me get this bad boy into position. Alright, so I've already started the hyperlapse and I already set it, so this is the view that it's going to get. You see right there, it's slowly creeping forward, but since it is windy, we might have a problem with the way the hyperlapse looks, but I want to test this out. So this is what it looks like right here. And there it goes, creeping a little bit forward. Let's check out this hyperlapse. By the way, guys, if you like what you're seeing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also have another YouTube channel where I give personal branding tips, and I can link it over here at the end of the video. But like I said, trying to grow my YouTube channels. Almost monetized on this specific channel, so all I need you to do, watch my content all the way through, because that's how YouTube deems worthy content. So if you like what you see, subscribe, comments, tell me where you want me to go. If I can get access, like I said, I'll go out there, I'll film it, and I'll bring you along for the journey. So subscribe. So another cool thing about this drone specifically is it has a lot of quick shots. So if you're not very good at flying a drone, well, it has very smart technology, and you literally push a button and it does all the work. Let's go check out what that looks like. So another cool feature about this is the active track. This drone will follow me. All I gotta do is put a little box around myself. I don't know if you can see that, but it'll start following me. And this is perfect for like creative shots. You wanna get some drone shots and you want it to follow you. This is pretty cool. So as you can tell, here, let me walk a little bit back and it'll start following me again. And then if I walk towards it, it'll start moving back. Pretty cool, huh? All these drones have really good technology in them, and if you want to buy one, I suggest it, because flying is a lot of fun. It's an awesome way to see the world, different perspective. If you like what you see, click that link below and buy one. I'll get affiliate commission off of it, by the way. And yet another cool feature about this is the profile lock. See that right there? It's following me. It's a little profile, so if I'm a jogger or a runner, which I'm not, you can take this out and it'll literally follow you. It's pretty cool. There's really cool technology in these things. All right, guys, well, that's all I got for today. If you like what you saw, like I said, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a bunch of these crazy things, and I'm gonna be pushing my drone to the limits, the legal limits, since that's all I can do now. And help me grow my channel. Laters.